Good morning, everyone. Today, I will give you the quick tour of the constructions update of Amani Grand condominium here beside Gaisano Grand Mall here in Buhangin, Davao City. So, this is our first building, which is blue, and it will already turn over this year. The second building at the back of this blue is the yellow building, or building B, or building 2 natin, and it will be turned over by next year, December 2023. And this one, the building D, ongoing yung construction, and it will be turned over by 2024, last quarter of 2024. And there's another building here. Building C is at the back of this building. It will be also turned over by 2024, last quarter of 2024. So, this project of Landlord Incorporated, located beside this mall, is very strategic in terms of locations and luxury. Also, this project also is very near to Davao International Airport. Is 6 kilometers away. The nearest hospital, Southern Philippines Medical Center, is 5 minutes away from this location. So it's very accessible to all. So if you want to know more, and if you want to invest in this kind of project, which is very near sa mall, you can PM me, and you can contact me on my Facebook account. I will write down my Facebook account, this link, in the comment down below for your reference. So have a good day, and thank you. God bless.